Ever stared at a coding screen so long that the code starts staring back at you? Yeah, been there. If you're searching for an easier way to learn coding without losing your sanity, I think I've found something worth talking about: Coddy.tech. Now, Coddy isn't one of those watch 40 hours of videos and still forget everything platforms. This one is all about learning by doing. The moment you jump in, you're already writing code, no setup, no downloads, no why isn't this working meltdown. What really stood out for me is how flexible it is. You can practice Python, JavaScript, HTML, C++, and a lot more, all in one place. I tested it on different days, different devices, and it just works. Open it, code, close it, simple. Another thing I liked is the built-in AI assistant. When I got stuck, and trust me, I did, it didn't just throw answers at me. It gave hints and explanations that actually made sense, like a patient friend who knows coding way better than you. Cody also pushes daily practice with short challenges, which honestly makes learning feel more like a game than homework. You're improving without realizing it. So is Coddy.tech worth using? If you want a clean, beginner-friendly, no-stress way to learn coding and actually practice, then yeah, it's a solid choice. Stick around because tools like this can save you a lot of time and frustration. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.